Hello friends, in this video let's talk about math functions. In Python we have many functions, many math functions we can call that, like sine, cos, tangent, like this. We have many math functions. So in this video I want to explain how to access these functions and how to use in our program. Sometimes we need math functions. First of all, I want to import sine pi. So let's import this math function. I've imported this from math. I've imported sine and pi. So now I want to print. It's a simple program. Pi is pi. Let's print this and we'll see what it prints to us. Yes, exactly. So pi is 3.14. Let's have one another print here. Sine is. Let's give a value to sine. Sine of 0 is equal to sine of 0. Let's print this as well and we'll see. So pi is 3.14 and the sine is 0 is equal to 0. Let's change the value of sine here. Sine of 90. Yes. Sine of 90 is equal to 0.89. Let's import cos as well. Print cos of 90 is equal to cos of 90. Let's save this and print this. Yes, exactly. Cos of 90 is equal to minus 0.44. So there is some built-in functions in Python, some built-in math functions. So this are some of them are absolute value, round, like this, round off while we need something. Let's use them as well. For example, print absolute value of minus 4.2, for example. Let's comment out this. And let's run this program. Yeah, definitely. Point. See, the absolute value is 4.2. It was here minus, and here the absolute value is 4.2. Let's use another one as well, round 3 point, use the same program, round 0.234 and 2. Let's run this program. See,